This just reminds me of like my childhood, like collard greens, cornbread, neck bones. Would you rather look like a scone or would you rather look like a glazed donut? This is the one that I've been told I have too much on. I just like to be hydrated. Is that a problem? Hi, my angel. Welcome back to a new video. If you're new, my name is Aisha Marie, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. You both mean the world to me. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of my best body oils that I love. Y'all know I like to look glowy and dewy, honey. And I've told y'all before, I've been told that I actually apply too much body oil, but in my opinion, it's never enough. Okay, you can never go wrong with being moisturized. Okay, so I'm gonna be sharing with you some of my top tier body oils. So I'm gonna start off with my #1 fave at the moment so I can get this out the way. If you're looking to just know which one is my favorite currently, you can just watch at the beginning, honey. You don't have to continue on to the video. But my #1 fave right now would have to be this Ultimate Originals Moisturizing Body Glow. Now y'all, this smells so delicious. I've talked about this in one of my other videos. I love the way this smells. This smells so freaking good. It's like a mixture of like fruity and nutty. It's so weird. I love this moisturizing body gloss so freaking much. It is so hydrating. Now, I can only find this at Amazon. I love it so much. It smells so good. And I pair this with my Baccarat perfume. It's such the perfect blend. So this oil, although it says it is a body gloss, it is not heavy at all. This is very light, so when you apply this, you're not gonna feel super duper sticky and like heavy. It's very light, but at the same time you're able to still get that glossy look to you, and it also helps just moisturize your skin throughout the day, so you're not just feeling and looking like you just globbed on a whole bunch of body oil. This is my fave right now. I am obsessed. Like I said, I can only find this at Amazon, and they only have a few. So trust me when I say this is good. This is good. So all the links will be down below if you want to check anything out. Get your hands on this. This is a must. The next body oil that I'm going to share with you is just this Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Hydrate and Replenish Body Oil. Y'all, I love this so much. And this even says this is for bath, body, and the shower, honey, okay? So I know a lot of y'all are a little iffy about applying body oil in the shower, and I do want to say be very, very, very careful because things get a little bit slippery, okay? When you in the shower, and you know what I'm saying? So be careful. Be careful. Don't say I ain't never tell you. But a lazy girl tip, honey, if you running short on time and you just don't feel like doing so many steps in your routine, apply this while you're in the shower, honey. It's good, it's light. This scent is not like a very, very thick scent. This will just forever be in my routine in general. No matter what routine it is, I'm always gonna apply some Palmer's. I have a backup of this in my car because, ladies, when you step outside, you never want to be ashy, okay? You never want to be ashy, and you never know, you may want to, I don't know, ink up or do whatever you want to do, honey, and you always need to just have some type of oil around you 24/7. This just reminds me of like my childhood, like collard greens, cornbread, neck bones. If y'all know the Palmer's lotion, y'all know, like, we had the same childhood growing up. This, you have to be careful because this is, I don't want to say it's really, really thick. Like, as you can see, it's not a super thick oil, but this can get very, very slippery. I can say that. You have to be careful. You don't need a lot of this. You only need a little. This is the one that I've been told I have too much on. I just like to be hydrated. Is that a problem? Like, I like to be hydrated. I like my skin to just be moisturized and like drenched in oil. Like, I want to feel baby smooth. And with that, you definitely will feel baby smooth, especially if you just got done shaving. The next body oil I'm going to share with you is this Dr. Teal's Moisturizing Bath and Body Oil in the scent Lavender. Now, I have to really be in the mood to put this on. One, because I'm not like the lavender girl. Lavender, if you apply too much, it can be very strong. But at the same time, it's so weird because lavender helps you sleep and helps with anxiety and stress. After applying this, your skin is gonna look so hydrated, so glossy, and just overall the pigmentation of your skin is just going to look divine, okay? You want to look silky. Would you rather look like a scone, or would you rather look like a glazed donut? Or would you rather look like a plain donut versus a glazed donut? Which would you prefer? Because in the end, if you're eating a plain donut, you're going to need something to moisturize that throat of yours. So why not just nip it in the bud and just go glazed? That's just me. The next body oil that I'm going to share with you is from the brand Alba Botanica, and this is the Hawaiian body oil. And I like this because this is plant-based and cruelty-free. So all of my people who are just very organic, honey, this is perfect for you. And I like this because this is more chocolatey. Like, yeah, we have the almond, we have the cherry kinds of, we have the lavender, we have the coconut. This is delicious. I really do enjoy putting this on when I know my fragrance is going to be like nutmeg or like caramelized base. This smells so delicious. For some reason, it reminds me of like a Starbucks caramel frappe or like a mocha cappuccino or something. It smells really divine. The smell smells kind of thick. It's weird because the scent isn't heavy, but when you are able to smell the scent, it smells like a little, like it's thick enough to smell, basically. The best way I can describe it is it smells like Nutella, and then it also smells like a caramel or mocha frappuccino or macchiato, something like that. It just smells like Starbucks to me. So those are all my body oils that I'm going to be sharing with you today. All of them that I mentioned keeps my skin hydrated for at least 24 hours. I don't know about the whole 48 hours because I shower day and night, so I can't really give you an exact timing on that, but I know if I apply it during the day, I'm still going to be hydrated at night by the time I jump into the shower. I also do enjoy applying some of these on when I'm in the shower. Like I stated earlier, be very careful. Only apply a little bit in the shower. I don't want you all to hurt yourselves, and I want you to be aware that, you know, oil and water sometimes don't mix, honey, okay? But in the meantime, I hope you all enjoyed. Comment down below if you checked out any of these body oils, and let me know if I'm not crazy on some of them, because listen, honey, some of them is just a must. But all in all, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you could just please give this video a nice thick thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't done so already. I am so happy that you all are watching my video today. It makes my heart smile. If only you knew how much this means to me with you just watching me, interacting with me. So comment down below in the comment section any videos or just any suggestions that you want to see from me. I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.
Need more light on me, shine on me. This my final fall. Tell them I'll try you, please. Baby, I blow your mind. By all means.